4x4 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one, 1970 Chevrolet K10. And before the comments pour in on this video, I will point out, yes, that is a 68 front end. This truck was restored 25 years ago. And I can't tell you, I guess when they restored it, maybe they like the look of a 68 better than a 70. I'm going to point that out, yes. Titled 1970 Chevrolet. Front end, 1968. It's a good looking truck. Take a look at the chrome, the bright work up front here, headlight surrounds. This medium blue paint shows well. I'll get into some more details in a bit, but first, if you want to check out all the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay, bed of it. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on BF Goodrich all-terrain TA radials. Plenty of tread left on those babies, all four corners, and you'll see close-ups of those tires and wheels in the still pictures. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Now, I mentioned that this vehicle was restored 25 years ago, actually spent the majority of its life in Montana. So solid truck, then restored. Some things recently done to it. One of those is the interior, carpeting and seat covers. Nice looking interior in this, great look for this model year. Alpine aftermarket stereo added. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a little closer look at that interior. This has been a fair weather truck since it's been restored, and it shows how straight those panels are around the wheel wells, lower rockers, cab corners. All looking good. Spray and bed liner back here. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Custom painting on the tailgate, tastefully done. Chrome in that rear bumper looking good. And again, those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. All right, some recent service work done to this. Newer fuel pump in it, heater core, heater works great. True dual exhaust, brakes are 80% or better at all four corners. Technician noted a few slight seeps under the engine. Nothing out of the ordinary, what you can expect with a truck that's driven. And this one, get in, turn the key, and go. Have some fun. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. As we take a look down this driver's side, you can see paint has a nice reflection in it, so good shine to it. Solid around those wheel wells. Again, lower rockers. This one will turn some heads, no doubt about that, the way it looks and the way it sounds. We will start it up. Check out that engine bay. Jason will take it for a drive at the very end of this video. And if you like Chevy K10s, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that online or right off our showroom floor. Those door panels matching the seats beautifully. Like I said, new carpeting. New seats, seat covers, should say. Vinyl cloth combination, cool look with that plaid. Seat belts intact up front. Visors. Cab painted to match. Let's fire this bad boy up. Like I said, good sounding truck. Tachometer working. Battery gauge. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect temp gauge to be up. Oil pressure gauge and fuel. Mentioned the radio is working. Sounds good too. Alpine aftermarket stereo dash. good. Like I said, this is a good sounding truck. It's a 350 small block Chev that's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Power steering, power brakes, Edelbrock 4-barrel, HEI ignition, and let's listen. Go check it out underneath the hood. And then, like I said, stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take you for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Underside of the hood. Looks like a newer master cylinder and brake booster here also. So power brakes, power steering. I don't believe I mentioned it has new shocks on it earlier also. Headers. There is a battery disconnect here for when it's in storage or in between drives. Nice, clean, good looking engine bay. There it is, 1970 Chevrolet K10. Standing tall, looking good. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all those still pics. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a very fun 1970 Chevrolet K10 pickup truck. That would be a 4x4. And another truck that is darn near the perfect height with the perfect stance. Another truck that I'd love to own. This is an automatic on the column, which, you know, I could give or take that, but it makes it easy to drive for anybody. I figured I'd just let you listen to that for a second. Great sounding truck, acceleration very good. I gave it a little throttle on a corner back there, and the inside tire wanted to spin, so she's got lots of power for fun. Our temperature gauge is a quarter of the way up. The battery is right in the middle. Oil pressure is on high, and that's what you want to see. Speedometer working, tachometer right in the middle working as well. The fuel gauge is pegged out all the way past full. That one might not work. We have a radio right here that works. Alpine sounding good. The blower motor's blowing heat. The wipers work. This truck has a nice ride on the highway. The steering wheel is clocked a little to the left, but that doesn't affect performance at all. It's a smaller steering wheel, which, you know, gives you a little more elbow room. Power steering works well enough you don't even really notice that it's smaller. Brakes feel good. One of the main points I love about this truck is what they did on the interior. The black and white and gray plaid inserted everywhere, in the door, in the seat. I guess that's it, but kind of everywhere. Looking really good. And I just felt that truck pull. Pulls pretty good. You just put your foot down. It's got good acceleration. A very fun, great looking truck from Chevrolet. 1970. Take a look at all the pictures of it at UniqueClassicCars.com.